So I come out here to look at the air conditioner and I find this mess. Come here and look at this 240 line, 50 amps. So we got the wire going up there, the gray wire's aluminum that comes out of the box. Comes on here, and then you look at this. And outer sheath is gone. Then you come right here and you see this. See that bare copper there? Look at that. That's a deadly electrocution hazard right there. I mean, I look in there and it's all burnt in there. So this definitely was on fire at one point. I mean, we gotta get a new air conditioner. Yeah. You know it is. I mean, that's not the ground wire. The white wire in there is the live one. Because that's 240. Tell you what, that was live 240 right there. Leaking out there. And I tell you what, the other wire's about to be bare too. I mean, that's a deadly electrocution hazard right there if you touch on it. That strap's about to cut into the copper. And it's bad. You know, we gotta replace this. Yeah, I just went in there and killed the power with the breaker. And yeah, I mean, yeah, this right here is the, don't touch that. Yeah, the breaker's off. And that is a deadly electrocution hazard right there. It's like, you touch that, that will kill you. I mean, I killed the power, it's safe now. But I tell you, and I look in here, and it's burnt in here. There's burnt wire down in there. So that was on fire at some point. Boy, am I glad I looked in here and saw this. And that right there, and what's in the air conditioner, that is why the lights are blinking so bad in the house when it rained. So I mean, good thing I came out here and saw this. And thank God my dad didn't touch it, because it could have killed him. I mean, that is 240 right there. 50 amps. So what is that? Volts times amps to get watts? Yeah, that's quite a bit. Yeah, that would shock you pretty bad. So we went in and pulled the breaker, and that's what it looks like. That bare copper right there. Completely exposed. So basically we replace this wire and get a new air conditioner. Yeah. I mean, that's kind of scary. I looked on there, there's burnt Romex in there. That was on fire at some point from the electricity. I think this air conditioner's ruined. It's like right on the connection too. Yeah. This air conditioner is probably 30 years old. So there's that right there. Yeah, that's a little box. Yeah. Right, so there's that. I'll come here and look at the gas meter. Hey, look at this gas meter over here. There's another hazard over here that's pretty bad. Look at this gas meter. Those things like bent right here. See how the ground shifted, this meter's like bent here? Look at the stress on that pipe there. And they've come out here like 3 times and said it's safe. I don't think that's safe. Look how bent that pipe is and how stressed it is. Dude, that breaks. All the gas will leak out there. I mean, they keep saying it's safe, but that's not looking safe. That pipe is about to break. And a lot of stuff needs replaced out here. So there's the air conditioner. We can't turn the furnace on until that gets fixed. Yeah, this air conditioner is dead because of that. I mean, it's all burnt in there. That definitely was on fire in there. And we're lucky. I mean, thank God I came out here and caught this. And that is why the lights were blinking so bad. And look at that. All the insulation's gone. Actually, I'm going to come here and look at something else. Actually, I want to show you something else that's bad out here. Let's come around here to the service entrance and take a look at this. Yeah, this is another good one over here. So let's come over here and look at the service entrance. Huh? I mean, this one's not as bad. Yeah, I got a pretty good corrosion there. Let's see if there's anything else there. Oh yeah, that's about to corrode. That's about to break. Yeah, I can push my nail in there if I wanted to. Yeah, it's all corroded there. Duct seal's broken so the water's getting there. Yeah, it corroded the whole way up. Actually, those black wires look really bad up there. 2 planes there. There's 2 planes up there. 1 plane there, 1 plane there. Man, they are close. Actually, that black wire is really bad up there. Yeah, that insulation is falling off there a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this all needs replaced. I mean, well, not all bad news because Bryan wants a disconnect switch so he can remove his house from the grid. He wants an outlet out here for the trailer. It's not here right now. He wants a 50 amp out in the backyard so he could hook a 4160 transformer up to it. He wants an outlet in the garage for a welder. He wants like a tap in the electrical system of the house, like a selector switch so he could power select outlets, appliances, just the lighting. What else? He's got quite a wish list. Certain appliances, I think you could say. So yeah, there's that. There's my pole up there. There's my pole I built. It had 3 insulators on each side, but I found some more and I put 4 on each arm. Actually 8 on each arm, 4 on each side, so there's that. Anyway, there's the electrical problems we gotta fix. But this over here is gonna be an expensive fix. I do not have 10-2 on hand to fix that. Probably need about 12 feet to do that. Actually, my neighbor's an electrician. Maybe she might have some on the other side. I have to go over there and see if she has some 10-2 on hand fixes. And yeah, that's nasty. And that definitely was on fire in there at some point. So no air conditioning until this gets fixed. Shit, it's slippery. So fucking slippery. Alright, I'm gonna cut power to this thing. And gloves on the wall. Put the gloves on the wall so they get wet. Put your tools in the air conditioner. Do not drop them in there. Get it out if I do. Nobody's gonna fit in there. Alright. No. Fortunately, that lock is rusted in place. Will not move. Cannot get the key in it, and the whole thing's ruined. There's so much rust on that lock, you can't get the key out into it. It won't even turn, so we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it out of there. You see that? And there's how I do it. Camera rolling. Yeah, camera's rolling. Okay, get that lock up there. We'll do this. Get it off there. See? Fucking just cut it. Okay, cut it right there. Just cut it. Right off. Jaws, snip right off. Okay. Lay right off. Off. So it's cut. And if I get it off, let's get the other side. It's cut, and I mean, it's definitely cut. Bulk of shit. It's fucking wires. Take shoddy equipment. Then we're gonna go clean everything out, pitch out everything that's rusted over there. One shot. There's the ink cut right there. Come on, go. Got it. I'm gonna break off. Yeah, fuck all that. I'll just box them carefully. I'll box them. Yes, fucking thing. Yes, fucking thing. Sorry. Watch the language, Bryan. Then that tab will report out. Yeah, that's what I'll fucking do here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, report out. Yes, fucking thing. This one will pull right out. Right out. Define. Same time. The breaker's not on. Just calm, pull out. There you go, you're out. Yeah, it was live. That's safe. It was definitely live with the breaker on. Alright, you're out. Got fucking bees in there. You're out. Yeah. I know I have to take this apart. There's nothing in there. This whole box needs replaced. Yeah. So we gotta take this in. So there's that. Yeah, go to power. The date on this air conditioner. The date on this air conditioner should be on there somewhere. Panel on there. Oh, we got that out of there. Alright. It's not live. You turn the break on anymore. So let's see what this says on here. there's nothing on here. There's definitely electrical fire out here at some point. There's a car off and look in there. Yeah, it looks pretty bad down in there. There's a lot of burnt stuff in there. Yeah, there's definitely a fire at some point. So they have. Let's have Voltage gloves. Voltage gloves. Nice junk. What was it? They need a whole new box. The box is ruined in there.